Welcome to the Bring Your Mental Self Back Home Center. This is a place where I help people to escape the stresses of everyday life, to bring the mental self back home through meditation techniques I developed over 40 years. My latest innovation is to combine the ancient tradition of Thai massage with my long-established method of meditation. Thai massage is the treasure that our ancestors left us, which I've come to realize contains the foundation of mindfulness. Introducing Massage and Meditation. Massage and meditation is designed for everyone, from those curious to start their mindfulness journey to the experienced practitioner keen to deepen their practice. You'll be welcome to the beautiful natural setting of the Bring Your Mental Self Back Home Center. Instantly transported to a world of calm and relaxation. Before the massage starts, you'll be able to relax with some refreshments as you start the journey of bringing your mental self back home with some simple creative activities chosen to bring your attention to the here and now. Our specially trained therapists will then guide you to focus on the graceful, gentle yet firm sensations, using the massage as a path to mindfulness. Watch as your mental clutter, worries, anxieties melt away into a state of bliss. You'll then be left alone in the privacy of the massage room to continue your meditation. Following the massage, we'll invite you to sit and relax with a warming drink and the chance to reflect on your massage and meditation experience. We hope to welcome you to the Bring Your Mental Self Back Home Center soon, to discover the peace that already exists within us all.